how to see hidden mention in Instagram stories. Now, even if you updated your Instagram to the latest or the updated version possible. If we go deep into our Instagram application right here, there is actually no option for us to go ahead and locate or see that hidden mention. Well, what we can do is just if you wanted to really see the hidden mentions on this, for example, story right here, you'll just have to tap any or tap anywhere on this story for you to be able to see it. Now, the other thing that we can do is we can hover around our Instagram settings. Just go to your profile and click or tap on the three lines located at the upper right of your screen. Now, in the search bar, just type in mention, tags and mention. Now, it might not be available for some of the phones, but if it will be available on your phone, there is actually an option there that says media experiment. So all I have to do is just to mark all those options and allow every option like this one, allow mentions from everyone. You will now then be able to see that. Again, this is how you can see hidden mention in Instagram stories.